Welcome to the Become a Modern Day Alchemist YouTube course, where we continue to delve deeper into the teachings of being a modern day alchemist. I'm Dreyer, your guide on this transformative journey. In this free course, we explore ancient Hermetic principles and techniques to manifest money and riches into your life. It's not only money and riches, it's basically everything that you want. This course builds on the foundation of being a modern day alchemist, empowering you to create your desired reality. An alchemist is a master of transmutation. That simply means turning one form of energy into another, manifesting ideas or thoughts, and to do that in the physical world, like manifesting gold or money just from an idea. An alchemist is also a magician of words, understanding the power of language and using it consciously to create blessings and manifestation. And an alchemist is also a creator of life, harnessing the energy of words to shape their reality and bring forth abundance. Now, today, we dive into the power of words and their impact on our lives. Every word that we utter is like a spell, casting intentions and shaping our reality. The way that we speak, whether it's blessings or curses, it's got a profound influence on the outcomes that we experience. It's time to harness the power of conscious speech and to create a positive shift in our lives. So welcome to this course where we'll explore the transformative powers of words as modern day alchemists. In scripture, it is written, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God." This profound statement holds the key to understanding the creative potential of our words. Every word that we speak is an incantation, a powerful vibration that shapes our reality. As modern day alchemists, we recognize the significance of our speech and strive to use it as a force for blessings rather than curses. We understand that our words have the power to manifest abundance or perpetuate lack. In Proverbs, it says, "Those who guard their lips preserve their lives, but those who speak rashly will come to ruin." This ancient wisdom, my friend, reminds us of the importance of conscious speech. When we are mindful of the words that we choose, we create a path of blessings and abundance. Often we find ourselves unconsciously speaking limiting beliefs and reinforcing negative thought patterns. Phrases like, "I can't afford it," or "I'll never be successful," or "I'm not good enough." Those ideas and concepts only strengthen the barriers to wealth and prosperity. These words become ingrained in our subconscious mind and therefore shaping our reality. Now, we've got a part in our brain that actually is there to protect us. We call it the reticular activated system, the RAS system. And the function of the RAS system is the moment that there's a belief system embedded or a meta program embedded in the subconscious mind, what this system is going to do is going to delete, distort, generalize, and add information to line up with that belief system. In doing so, the moment that that forms the base of our belief that I'm not good enough, for example, I'm going to see that every single day of my life. And that is what we call reference points. So those reference points are going to be magnified in order for us to understand that we are not good enough. It's not the truth, but because it's your belief system, because it's in your subconscious mind and you allow it to be there. And sometimes we're not even aware because it's like blind spots that we've got. That is going to keep on manifesting and become part of your life. Now, to break free from the cycle, we must become aware of the power of words. By consciously choosing positive and empowering language, we send total different energy into the universe. And instead of dwelling on limitations, we focus on opportunities and solutions. So your task there, as a modern day alchemist, is to pay very close attention to the words that you speak throughout the day. In other words, what are the energetic vibrations that are attached to those words or to those sentences or to those concepts. Pause before speaking and consider the impact of your words or the vibration of the words. In other words, that energy that is attached to those words or meanings. And then replace negative statements with positive affirmations. We've already covered that. When faced with challenges, I want you to ask empowering questions that stimulate growth and creativity. With consistent practice, in other words, by being present, by being conscious, you will witness the transformative power of conscious speech. This is a powerful tool. And then remember, as a modern day alchemist, you possess that ability to create blessings through your words, through the vibrations, through the frequencies, through resonance, through rhythm, through polarity, because it's all in the vibration, it's all in the construct of that word or sentence or idea. I want you to let go of destructive speech patterns and embrace the creative potential of your language. Speak words of abundance, success, and prosperity into your life and the lives of others. Your words, my friend, have the power to shape your reality and to manifest every single one of your desires. Now, if you found this lesson valuable on your journey to becoming a modern day alchemist, please show your support by like, comment, and share this with other people. Your engagement is going to help us to reach a wider audience, spreading the wisdom of this alchemical teachings. And don't hesitate to leave a thought or a question in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. And of course, investing in your own growth as a modern day alchemist. I encourage you to watch the full course and then to continue to the next lesson to deepen your understanding. The trick, my friend, is to apply what you've learned. It is not to go through the course. It is to apply that you've learned and that you're busy learning and incorporate that in a day-to-day basis in your life. And remember, by harnessing the power of your words, you unlock limitless possibilities. So thanks for your time, and then I'll see you in the next one.